Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you step by step how you can start a new chat or conversation with your workspace members on ClickUp. For instance, to communicate with them, to share ideas with them, to inform them of your decisions or of upcoming tasks, and so on and so forth. So this is how you can do it, guys. Head over to ClickUp, log into your account, and select the workspace in the top left corner. So let me go with that one here. And basically what you'll need to do, guys, is click on it plus a new button or icon at the top to create a new item, and these chats are also items. So you may switch from the task tab here at the top to the chat tab, and after that start your new chat by, for example, giving it a name. So let me name it, for example, chat number 1 or something like that. And after that you may simply add your first message here below, like, I don't know, message 1 or something like this. And you may also, for instance, mention team members by clicking on that button here, by using the add button or symbol on your keyboard. You may also, for instance, add emojis to your message or assign a comment as an action, make the chat private if you like, or set a notification or watcher, for example. And last but not least, click on create chat here in the bottom right corner to create the new conversation, and that is going to initiate the chat. Now you may, for example, reply to that, give it to the chat, for instance, by clicking on that button here and comment on the given chat, or you may, for instance, click on open on page here to get a better overview of the chat. And if you, for example, have been mentioned in the chat, you will be given the opportunity, for instance, to reply to the given chat here, to send your message, to send your reply, to leave a reaction like a thumbs up or an emoji. And that's basically it. Simply click on send here in the bottom right corner or press enter on your keyboard to send your reply or your message. You may also attach a file to your text message by clicking on that button, mention someone by clicking on this button, or mention a task, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.